Hello friends, this is Ansu Sky and you are watching RC Care. Today I will unbox RP-SMA male to RP-SMA female right angled adapter from banggood.com, which I have ordered in just 83 rupees for one piece. Very cheap but very handy. So let's start its unboxing. As you can see that this is RP-SMA male to female. Let's unbox the another one. One thing I would like to mention is that this is only a connector for converting straight into right angled. It doesn't matter what is the frequency of RC transmitter or receiver, whether it is 1.2, 2.4 or 5.8 gigahertz. It doesn't matter. It simply converts straight into right angled. I will use this for my teaching K lower lip antenna. As you can see, now this is right angled, and if you want to connect, then you also need this etching UVC receiver like this. Sorry. So you can understand that why I have ordered this. I want my antenna to be right angled with respect to this FPV receiver, you can say. You can attach this antenna here. Like this, or you can attach any type of antenna which is compatible with this connector. Okay. So friends, thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video with some new unboxing of another item. This is Ansu Sky signing off.